guys, it's me Mixie. For today's video, we will mix fresh mint, semi-gloss latex for interior concrete wall. Fresh mint is a great choice for wall because it has a calming and soothing effect. We associate green with nature, healing and tranquility. We love the way a muted green color can bring life into a room while still making you feel grounded. If you are new to our channel, please click the subscribe button to keep updated on our paint mixing tutorial videos. Thank you. Our client order 1 liter light fresh green semi-gloss latex mix. Okay, let's start by 80% ratio of semi-gloss latex white. First, let's put ochre color Hansa yellow to the semi-gloss latex white paint. Then let's drop small amount of ochre color phthalo green. Okay, let's stir the paint very well. It's more on yellowish shade. Let's add more ochre color phthalo green. Okay, let's compare if the color matches on the client chosen color. It's more darker. Let's add more semi-gloss latex white and a drop of ochre color phthalo green. Stir the paint well to come out the color result. Okay, let's compare it again. It's almost the same. Let's add more latex white and drop a little ochre color phthalo green. Okay, let's just add little more phthalo green. Yes, it's the same color already. Mixing accomplished. We hope you guys enjoy our newest paint mixing tutorial video. Thank you for your love and support.